Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a beautiful 1968 Ford Galaxie XL. Now, this car is finished in seafoam green with a black stripe on the bottom and a factory black vinyl top. As far as we know, this car has all the original paint on this car. And you can see how nice and clean and beautiful this car is. That seafoam green paint just really shines. Beautiful car. It has a few nicks and a few chips here and there that I'll point out to you during the course of this video. But to find a car that's this original in this kind of condition is just unheard of. This thing runs great, goes down the road great. Factory power steering, factory power brakes, factory air conditioning. And when was the last time, if ever, that you've seen a Galaxie like this with bucket seats, counsel, factory counsel, with a factory horseshoe shifter? Now, I don't know if I've ever seen one. Now, you Ford guys can probably say, oh, I've seen those cars before, but I've never seen one. Now, this car shows 96,000 miles. I'm sure those are original. 302 automatic, like I say, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. The door jambs and everything on this car are all original. The chrome and brightwork on this car is in really good shape. It does have a little bit of pitting here on the door handles on each side. Has a little scratch right here. Couple little chips here and there. I noticed one, let's see, it's got a couple little chips right here. A little chip there. And on the leading edge of this door, you'll see it's got a couple little chips there. But you can see how beautiful this paint is on this car. For an all original 68 Galaxie, this thing is absolutely amazing. It runs great, it drives great. Just a really fantastic car. I can see it's got a Alabama tag on the back there, so I'm guessing that's where it came from originally. Spare tire and jacks, got a car cover in there. Inside the trunk is all original. Just a great car. The glass is all in good shape on the car. No chips or breaks in any of the glass. Tires look like they're fairly new. White letter. It's got 15-inch wheels with the factory hubcaps. Underneath the hood looks very nice. Factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Engine's really nice, nicely painted. It looks like, I can't verify this, but it looks like the engine's been all overhauled. It's all painted up real nice. Looks like it's had a newer water pump and newer exhaust manifolds on it. Looks like the master cylinder and brake booster have been replaced. Underneath the hood's very nice. It does have some chips here, you know, from over the years. But overall, a great car. The chrome bumper in the front's very nice. All the stainless trim down the sides of the car looks good. That's what we do here at Kenyon Classics. I'll point everything out to you that I see, that way you see it. We sell these cars all over the country and all over the world. And when people get these cars, I want them to say, hey, it's exactly like you told me it was gonna be. Because that's what we do. We're honest and upfront with you. We're an honest muscle car dealer. The black bucket seats are in great shape. The dash pad does have a crack right here in the center by this speaker. The radio works, the blower motor works, the shifter works like it's supposed to, the horn works, headliner's in good shape, sun visors are in good shape, package tray with your speakers back there, back seat looks great. Start the car up. Somebody's gonna be real happy to get this car.
I mean, I can think about this almost without exception.
Blower motor, radio, left turn signal. Where's that right turn signal flashing at? Oh, way over there. So quiet you can barely even hear it run. Tail lights. Turn signal flashing or not, I can't see that. Flashing up front. Can't tell if it's flashing back or not. Headlights work. All the vacuum operated headlight doors are functioning properly. Just a really good car. And like I say, I consider it to be kind of a scarce car with the bucket seats and the counsel with that horseshoe shifter. I have never seen one like that. Not saying they don't exist. I'm sure that was a factory option when they ordered this car, and looks like they checked about every box they could. You can look down the side zone, you can see how nice and straight it is. That's a fly. Nice, clean, straight old car, guys. The vinyl top's in good shape. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. You see the headlight doors are shut now. KenyonAuto.com, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So please give us a call if you're interested in buying this beautiful 68 Galaxy XL, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. We stock over 125 collector cars. We try to have something in everyone's budget. Check out our website, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. Have a great afternoon, everybody.